In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Google Docs on your laptop. First, let's quickly clear up what we're doing here. Google Docs is a web-based word processor, which means you usually use it in your browser. When we say download Google Docs on your laptop, what we're really doing is setting it up so you can easily open and work on your documents directly from your computer, even when you're offline. Start by opening your favorite web browser. This can be Chrome, Edge, Firefox, or any other browser you're comfortable with. In the address bar at the top, type in docs.google.com and press enter. If you're not already signed into your Google account, you'll be prompted to sign in. Go ahead and log in with your usual details. If you have more than one account, make sure you choose the one that has the documents you want to access. Once you're on the main Google Docs homepage, you'll see your recent documents, along with templates for things like resumes and reports. Now, to make Google Docs work smoothly on your laptop, especially offline, we want to enable offline access. This is the key step that makes Docs feel like it's downloaded and installed. Look for the settings icon, usually shown as a small gear in the top right corner of the Docs homepage. Click on that, then select Settings. In the window that appears, find the option for offline. Turn this on. Your browser may ask you to confirm or to install an extension to support offline documents. Accept that prompt. What this does is download the necessary files and some of your recent documents to your laptop, so you can open and edit them even without an internet connection. Give it a moment to finish syncing. After this is set up, you can create a shortcut to Google Docs for easier access. In Chrome, for example, you can open the browser menu, choose the option to save or create a shortcut for the current page, and place it on your desktop or taskbar. That way, opening Google Docs will feel just like opening an app installed on your laptop. From now on, whenever you open Google Docs using that shortcut, you'll be able to work as usual. Any changes you make offline will automatically sync back to the cloud the next time your laptop connects to the internet.